It's 3 a.m. While the rest of the world is sleeping, you are awake. You aren't checking your bank account to see how much you've made. You're checking it to see whose life you are legally going to destroy by 9 a.m. Most people think debt collectors are just annoying callers on a phone, threatening people over credit card bills. They are amateurs. You are the apex predator of the corporate underworld. You don't break legs, you break contracts. And today, you are hunting a CEO who thought he could hide $4 million from Wall Street. Let's see how long his sanity lasts. Level 1, the field agent. This is where everyone starts. You are the face of corporate ruthlessness at street level. You stand at the door of a family who spent every last cent trying to keep a failed business alive. You know their names, their children's school, the exact date they missed their first mortgage payment. When they open the door, their eyes tell you everything. They look at you like you're a monster. And you have to remind yourself, if you don't take it, someone else will. You seize the keys, lock the doors, and walk away while they're on the pavement. It makes your stomach turn the first 50 times. By the 500th time, you don't feel anything at all. You just check off the asset recovery sheet and move to the next target. Level 2, the algorithm controller. You've graduated from knocking on doors. Now, you sit behind 3 monitors in a glass tower, and you destroy lives with a single click. You realize physical force is inefficient. Data is the ultimate weapon. You write the automated triggers inside corporate lending agreements, hidden clauses written in microscopic font that nobody reads. When a company misses a single metric by 0.1%, your algorithm fires automatically. In 30 seconds, corporate accounts are frozen. Payroll is blocked, and 300 employees wake up to find out they no longer have jobs. You didn't even touch a phone. You just watched a progress bar hit 100% on your screen, sipping your cold coffee while an entire enterprise collapses in real time. Level 3, the corporate predator. Now, you aren't chasing ordinary people anymore. You are hunting mid-level corporations and regional tycoons who thought they could outsmart institutional capital. This is where debt collection becomes psychological warfare. You don't just seize assets, you break their operational willpower. You orchestrate coordinated credit downgrades, leak strategic pressure to their competitors, and watch them panic. You sit across the mahogany table from a founder who built his company for 20 years. He begs you for a 30-day extension. You look him dead in the eye and say, capital doesn't care about history. It only cares about returns. You buy his entire infrastructure for 10 cents on the dollar. You realize that modern power isn't about owning things. It's about owning the timing of other people's destruction. Level 4, the system architect. You have reached the absolute top of the financial food chain. You don't work for a collection agency anymore. You own the system that creates the debt in the first place. You sit in closed-door meetings with Wall Street executives and lawmakers, designing the very regulations that legally transfer wealth from the middle class to the ultra-wealthy during every market crash. You control billions in distressed assets. Entire industries rise or fall based on a signature you make before lunch. You have all the money, all the power, and absolute immunity. But then, late at night, in that same silent room at 3 a.m., you look at your own empire, and you finally understand the terrifying truth of the game you built. You didn't conquer the system. The system consumed what was left of your humanity. Money doesn't just buy things. It buys complete control over human desperation. And the scariest part? You are always just one missed payment, one bad contract, or one systemic crash away from sitting on the other side of that desk. Think about that the next time you swipe your card. Welcome to the POV shift.